Welcome to my channel, Creator Supervise. I'm here to be showing you other people's content that you may like to learn one or two things from, maybe video editing or color grading, whatever thing that are related to video. I'm here to be showing you, to be bringing you whatever content that is outside there, whatever lesson you want to learn. I'm here to show you, to be bringing it to you, to also to be learned. So please subscribe to my channel, drop your comment, whatever thing you want to know, just drop the comment, and I promise that will be my next content to post on the channel. So let's continue.
Get super smooth slow motion from pretty much any footage or frame rate, yes, even if you shot it in 24 frames per second. Right-click your clip and select Retime Controls, and then drag to slow down your footage. Next, with the clip selected in the inspector window, come down to Retime and Scaling. Now change Retime Process to Optical Flow, Motion Estimation to Speed Warp Faster or Better. Obviously, better is better, but it's more GPU intensive. Scaling, leave as is, and Resize Filter to Smoother. There you go. Super smooth slow-mo. See you in the next video.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sure you learn, I learn, we both of us learn one or two things from this content, from this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram for more content. God bless.